The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, viewers and subscribers, there's videos that is circulating on social media that shows of an incident that had happened in the UK that is being called a terrorist attack. Alright? Now, this incident that is being called a terrorist attack, it is said that a man had stabbed and injured two persons before being fatally shot by police officers within the UK. You see me? Now, this said to have happened at a place that is known as Streatham within the United Kingdom. That would be Streatham in London, and that is of the UK. You see what I'm saying to you? And this said to have happened on the 2nd of February 2020, right? And it is said that the man was wearing a fake suicide vest during the incident. All right, now it is said that this man is a Islamic extremist, right? And it is said that this man had been recently released from prison sometime within January 2020, right? And it is said that this rampage lasted for around 60 seconds before police officers stopped this man from injuring anyone else. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that what I just told you, or everything that I just told you about this incident, is based on my understanding about this incident, and it is based on reports that is out there, and that there might be more information about this incident. All right? Now, viewers and subscribers, I have two pieces of videos that I'm going to put together and show you of the incident, you know what I mean, so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. But before I show you these videos, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in these videos, it is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
Hold on. This ain't real. This ain't real. It's alright. Get back! Stay where you are! Stay down! Stay where you are! Stay down! Go to the back of the store! Go to the back of the store! Get back! Turn around! Get like you're out of it!
Marica, lo mataron.
Stay back! Stay in the store! Stay in the store!
Marica, lo pelaron.
Get inside or go! Stay back! Get back!
marica.